I'll let you decide what time of the day you want to present your loved ones with this delicious cowleg pepper soup this Christmas season. But rest assured, even if they have filled their tummies to the brim, they will find space for this soup, I'm telling you. Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of my 5 Christmas recipes. Present your loved ones with meals from this series and I am certain they won't go to waste. Let's get cooking. I have here 2 cow legs which I'm going to be using. I bought these for 14,000 naira. Although I won't be using everything. So I'm going to wash these thoroughly and make sure that they are clean and then transfer to my pot. To season these, I'm going to keep it very simple. Just stock cubes, onions and of course salt. I'm going to boil this. This took about 45 minutes. Cover tightly. If you cannot wait that long and you have a pressure cooker, please use it. I have added enough water to cook this and I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes and see if I need to add some more water. Checking now and it looks good. I don't think I need to add more water, so I'm just going to cook this on medium heat, making sure that the lid is tightly on it so as to trap in steam. Next, I have red and yellow scotch bonnet, some cayenne peppers. Oopsies. Alright, let's move on. I decided to add just 1 tomato to my pepper mix. You don't have to. I also added some onions, garlic and ginger and of course water. This I will blend using my rock power blender. Once that is smooth, I'm going to set it aside and check on the cow leg, which has been boiling for some time now. It looks good. From looking at it, you can tell that this is soft. I did taste and they were so soft. There's not going to be a problem chewing on these at all. So what I'm going to do now is to take them out of the stock so that I can cut the ones I need into bite sizes and also sieve the stock to remove remnants of onions. I have now returned the pot back to the stove and I'm going to add some of the stock and the pepper which we blended early on. Add some more water and this is my pepper soup spice mix. I have the recipe on this channel. I added a teeny tiny bit of curry powder. It is a game changer for pepper soup. Please make sure to try it. I'm going to let that boil for a few minutes. Then I adjusted the taste by adding 1 stock cube and a little bit of salt. At this point, I am going to transfer the cow leg which I already cut into bite sizes. For heat and color, I added chopped red and yellow scotch bonnet alongside scent leaves. I had a few pieces of white pomo, so I decided to add that. Then I loosened this up a bit with a tiny bit of water, cooked on low heat for another 5 minutes, and in no time this was done. At this point, the entire house was smelling so amazing. The aroma is something that no one can resist. If you present anyone with this season, they're going to be talking about you till next Christmas, I tell you. This cowleg pepper soup is so delicious and flavorful. If you try it, everyone around you is going to love it. If you're feeling extra generous, send it with some bread to your neighbors and they're going to be singing your praises. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you do try this recipe. I will see you with the next one very soon. Bye-bye.